Hi guys, I hope you're doing great. Well, in this video, I'm going to explain one of the swing trade that I've taken recently, so which I'm still holding on to that positions. I'll also explain the investment I have made in this stock, where I entered, why I have entered, the reason behind that this trade, and exactly that my entry point and the target and the risk to reward ratio and how much I was willing to risk on this trade. So the stock that I'm talking about is Gujarat Gas Limited. So this is a weekly time frame of the Gujarat Gas Limited. So one thing that I would suggest you if you are trying for a swing trade, uh, always try to analyze your stock in a highly time frame, because the higher the time frame, the better the probability of winning. So let me show you in this one. So this is, as I said, this is weekly time frame. So let me draw a trend line in this. So this stock has been taking resistance at this level, and there was a support at this level. Yeah. So it has been taking resistance once. It has taken once, twice, thrice, four times, five times, and at the six times it has broken it. And you can see it. There's a good volume confirmations, which is add on to the stock. But I haven't traded in this rally. I missed this rally somehow. But I was waiting for some consolidation to happen. So when it started consolidating, so let me draw another trend line here. Okay, this was that another trend line. It was consolidating in a good way. If you observe here, this stock hasn't broken this support line in the consolidation phase. So either we could have entered at this point to reduce our risk, or else we could have waited for the proper breakout. So anything would have worked. And I have entered right at this green candle in the middle of this. I think I got it at around 542 rupees. So during that moment, I invested 1 lakh rupees into this stock. And when I saw the proper breakout in this candle, I invested another lakh rupees into this. And my SL was roughly below this candle. So if it has closed any candle below this, then I would have exited it. Candle that you see here is an result of the election days. So it was a pre-known thing. So I did not panic much onto this. But anyhow, when this moved at here, it was giving me around 15,000 rupees loss. But I hold on to that trade. I was waiting for this to close with a proper breaking of candle. So right now it has moved in the favored way, and it is giving almost 15 percentage. So as you can see here, this is the stock. Purchased total of 380 stocks with an average price of 550 rupees, which has costed me around 2,09,000 rupees. Right now it is trading at 632 rupees, which is altogether of 2,40,000. The profit is around 30,900, and in the percentage ratio it is 14%. 2 days back it went up to 17%, and there's a small retracement in this. So I'm still planning on to hold this trade. If I see any bearishness or any reversal patterns, then I would exit from this trade. I usually try to make at least 10% out of swing trades, but in this trade, I'm still holding on to this because of the potential that it has uh, to go up to 680 rupees. So here's the breakdown. So as you can see, on 16th, I have bought 200 stocks. So if you see here, these are the quantities. It has executed based on the sellers. So I got it for 542 rupees on an average, and I got around 200 stocks. And when I saw the proper breakout on 21st, then I have added a few more quantities. I think it's around 180 quantities, and I got it for 560 rupees. So which made the average price to 550 rupees altogether. So that is all in this video. I hope you got something to learn from this. If you have any comments or you have any perspective, please feel free to add it in the comment section. I'll be glad to read and reply for that. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.